How to fix Expedia won't let me use my credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to resolve issues with using your credit card on Expedia. So are you having trouble booking a hotel or flight with your credit card? Don't worry, this video will guide you through some simple steps to find a solution. So first of all, make sure that you're on the official Expedia website or you have installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device. If you're using the app, try clearing the app cache. For that, you have to go to settings first, scroll down and go to apps. From here, search for Expedia. Then once you find it, tap on it and scroll down and go to storage and click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But make sure that clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. And if the booking still does not work, try using a different browser or a device. If it works elsewhere, there may be an issue with your original device or browser. Reach out to the credit card issuer to ensure that there are no blocks or issues with the card, and they might need to authorize the international transactions. If the problem still persists, contact Expedia customer service and explain the issue and provide any details from your bank regarding declined transactions, and if necessary, ask to speak with their supervisor. As a last resort, consider booking directly with the airline or a hotel instead of through Expedia, and there may be internal issues with Expedia processing your credit card. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to now resolve any issues using your credit card on Expedia. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.